What if I told you the biggest difference between rich and poor isn't money, but tiny daily habits almost no one notices? Wealth is not built overnight. It is built through small daily actions that seem insignificant, but quietly shape your future.
Most people ignore these habits because they do not show results immediately, but over time they create massive life-changing differences.
One person wastes hours scrolling every day, believing it is harmless and relaxing, while another uses that same time to learn something valuable. A poor mindset focuses only on immediate problems like bills and stress, leaving no space for thinking about long-term opportunities.
At first, both lives look similar, but slowly the gap widens until one moves ahead while the other struggles to keep up. A wealthy mindset asks a different question. How can I grow this situation instead of just surviving it? One spends everything they earn, while the other turns even small income into future income streams through smart reinvestment. These decisions seem small in a single day, but over time they shape completely different financial futures. Hard work alone is not enough if your habits are pointing you in the wrong direction. A young entrepreneur starts with nothing but an idea and decides to take consistent action every single day. Instead of chasing money, they focus on building systems that can generate value repeatedly without constant effort.
Daily habits become structured. Learning, building, improving. Small actions repeated consistently create unstoppable momentum.
Progress feels slow at first, almost invisible. But consistency compounds quietly behind the scenes. Then something changes. Small payments start coming in. Not big, but consistent. Proof the system works. A simple payment system handles everything automatically. Customers pay, value is delivered, and income flows without constant effort. Instead of guessing, they track data. What works, what doesn't, and where to improve next.
Data shows clear patterns. Small improvements increase results over time without needing more hours. Instead of spending profits, they reinvest. Tools, skills, systems. Everything is designed to grow further.
This is where most people quit. But those who continue unlock exponential growth. Most people expect fast results, but real growth follows a delayed curve, slow at first, then suddenly accelerating. Consistency becomes the real advantage. Showing up daily, even without motivation, creates long-term success. Habits form a loop. Cue, action, reward. Once controlled, this loop can shape your entire future. Slowly, old habits disappear. New habits replace them. The identity starts to change. Same person, different daily actions. That's how transformation actually happens.
Now the system improves. Better processes, better results, without working more hours.
Automation reduces effort. Systems start working independently, even when you are not actively working. Confidence builds slowly. Not from motivation, but from real results backed by action. Progress becomes predictable. Small inputs now create reliable outputs. Compounding begins to show. Growth is no longer slow. It starts accelerating. Instead of spending, earnings are reinvested again. This multiplies future returns. Skills improve over time. Better skills create better opportunities. Data confirms progress. Numbers don't lie. Improvement becomes visible.
Money starts working independently. Income grows without equal effort.
Saving becomes automatic. No stress, no forcing, just systems doing their job. Stress decreases. Control increases. Life feels more stable. Growth now accelerates faster than before. This is the power of consistency.
Systems run smoothly without constant effort. That's true leverage.
This is where most people quit early. But those who stay win big.
The main character is no longer stuck. Progress has changed everything.
Same person, different habits, completely different life. Consistency, systems, and patience created this outcome. Income becomes predictable. Stability replaces uncertainty. Stress disappears. Confidence takes its place.
Time is no longer traded for money. Freedom begins.
Let's start with the biggest mistake beginners make when investing their first $1,000 without understanding risk or structure.
Wealth is not loud. It grows silently through discipline.
The journey continues. Growth never stops.
Every day is a new chance to improve. If this changed your thinking, subscribe for more simple ideas like this.
The future is no longer uncertain. It's being built daily.
Small actions create big outcomes.
Success isn't magic. It's repetition.
Good habits build strong futures.
The main character proves one thing. Change is possible.
You don't need more time. You need better habits. Your future is built by what you do daily. Change your habits. Change your life.
Start today. Even small steps matter more than you think.